Bandits, always popular. Early bird special. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Money Maker Bandit, the #1 ranked pro early bird sports capper in the world. Yesterday, early bird special winner. Next up, Moneyville, choo 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 choo. Bandit with the late night special winner. Next up, Moneyville, choo 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 choo. You like to start your day with a winner? Check out Bandit's early bird special each day. Are you losing all day? You need a winner? Bandit's got your back with the late night special winner. College basketball, Duquesne versus St. Bonaventure. Bandit playing. St. Bonaventure minus 7.5 points full game. St. Bonaventure minus 7.5 points full game. Money Maker Bandit, king of the 1-minute videos, making you money in 1 minute. Money Maker Bandit, the #1 ranked early bird pro sports capper in the world. Do you know another pro sports capper with an early bird special and a late night special? There's none. There's zero. Only Bandit. Money Maker out.